Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to earn free Pepe tokens using the Earn Pepe Crypto Faucet. It's a simple manual faucet where you can claim Pepe tokens at regular intervals. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. As always, you'll find the link to the faucet in the description below. So first things first, what is the Earn Pepe Crypto Faucet? It's a site that rewards you with small amounts of Pepe crypto just by completing tasks like solving CAPTCHAs or claiming from the faucet every set interval. It's one of the easiest ways to get started with crypto. No need to invest any money up front. The first thing you need to do is sign up. Just visit the Earn Pepe Faucet website by clicking the link in the description. Enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account through the verification email. Once you're there, you'll see the main dashboard where you can claim your Pepe tokens. On the faucet page, you'll notice a manual claim option. This means you'll need to click a button to claim your tokens at intervals, usually every few seconds, 1 minute, or as specified by the faucet. Make sure to solve any CAPTCHA that appears to verify you're not a bot. After completing the manual claim multiple times, you'll need to enter your FaucetPay wallet address to store your PP tokens. If you don't have a FaucetPay account or aren't sure how to use it, check out the tutorial linked in the description to learn how to set it up. Besides the manual faucet, Earn Pepe offers other ways to boost your earnings. Here are some features you can try out. PTC ads. Earn Pepe tokens just by viewing ads for a few seconds. Offer walls complete simple tasks like filling out surveys or signing up for services to earn even more tokens. Referral program. Share your referral link with friends and earn commissions from their activity. Short links. Click through shortened URLs and solve CAPTCHAs to earn more tokens. That's it on how you can start earning free Pepe tokens with the Earn Pepe Faucet. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more crypto tips and airdrop updates. And of course, all the links you need are down in the description.